The Itel A56 was launched some days ago, and it is the successor to the Itel A55 from last year. Itel is probably and arguably one of Africa's favorite phone brands because they make cheap and affordable Android smartphones available to everyone. The A56 is an entry-level Android smartphone from Itel that runs Android 9 Go Edition. Android Go Edition is an optimized lightweight version of Android OS. This is my unboxing and initial review of the all-new Itel A56. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. I'll leave timestamps to various sections of this unboxing experience in the description box below. And if you are new here or if you like seeing content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button just below this video and turn on the post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time and every other time I post a new video like this one. Finally, after some days of wait, Jumia delivered the package and I got the opportunity once again to do what I love doing, unwrapping packages. The A56 came packed in a colorful red box boldly written, "Bigger is better." By the side is a 9 mobile promo offering 1.5 GB of data free upon activation of the phone. There is also a 12-month warranty sticker here. There was no glue sticker protecting the package, so opening the pack was so easy. We are greeted by the phone itself, which is covered by a red sticker carrying some key specs of the device. Let's keep this aside and see what comes with it. Wow, they included a case and this looks like a polycarbonate material. Next in the box is a 5V charger. Next in the box is a micro USB 2.0 to USB-A cable. Next in the box is a red earphone that looks good and stylish. So that's it guys, no SIM ejector pin, no operational manual or paperwork. Wonderful. Back to the man of the moment, let's peel this off. Come on, this is so satisfying. There's a screen guard pre-installed on the display, nice one Itel. The phone is well built and sturdy, especially when you consider how much it costs. I like the pattern thing going on the included case, it's beautiful and adds to the style of the device. At the top of the device is a 3.5mm headphone jack. By the right is the volume rockers and the power button. At the bottom is the microphone and micro USB port. There is nothing on the left hand side. At the back of the device is a dual camera setup consisting of an 8MP main shooter, a VGA camera for low light photography and a flashlight. There is a fingerprint sensor at the back as well as a loudspeaker grill, which obviously means that the sound coming out of this device can be easily blocked by dropping this phone on a flat surface. There are some vertical Itel branding at the back too. When you open the back cover of this device, you will find a non-removable 4000 mAh battery. You will also find 2 nano SIM slots and a memory card slot. On the front of this device is a 6 inches IPS LCD display with a resolution of 960 by 480 pixels. There is a 5MP selfie camera and a selfie flash on top of the display. The phone comes with 16GB of internal storage and 1GB RAM. It took me about 3 minutes to set this device up and running without Wi-Fi and a Google account. However, you must activate PIN unlocking before you can use this device. The Itel A56 even came with a gesture navigation system. Wow, which is kind of cool but needs some refinements. Swiping up from the center takes you to the home screen, swiping from the left side takes you to the multitasking screen, and swiping from the right side takes you back. I advise that you don't activate the gesture navigation on this guy as it is mostly frustrating. You get some lightweight Google Go apps and a few bloatware pre-installed on this phone. Apart from this black color I have here, there's another color called degradation blue. About pricing and availability, the Itel A56 costs $60 or 20,500 naira, and it is available in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Uganda, Tanzania, India and Pakistan. The Itel A56 has a Pro version with 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, which is expected to cost $70. At $60 only, the Itel A56 is a solid phone packing features such as a large 4000 mAh battery and a fingerprint sensor. I'll be doing a proper review of this phone in a later video, so be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss that video when it comes up. Also like this video if it was helpful and share it to help others. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you when I see you in the next one. What next? Alright, I'm done here. I'm done.